Hey guys, it's JJ. Welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I got this look here with the T-Part wig, just keep watching. So today's hair is brought to you by Unice hair, but not just straight directly through unice.com. I ordered this hair through Amazon. I'll leave the links down in the description box. Today we're working with the T-Part wig. It is 18 inches if I'm not mistaken. I'll leave it somewhere on the screen. I recreated this look from this girl on TikTok. Bomb. If you're not following me on TikTok, do that. Go follow me on TikTok so you can see that video of the first recreation of this style. I did that on a 12-inch bob from Wiggins hair. Supposed to do a video on how I recreated that look with a T-Part wig. If you know anything about T-Part wigs, it can be kind of scary. Let's get into what came with the hair. It came with a pair of lashes. They look pretty good. Some of these hair companies be sending you the thinnest lashes they can find. It'd be like 5 strands of hair on those lashes and they'll send it to you. Thanks. But came with a pack of wig caps, this little cute little headband thing that's got going on.
That you
already installed this wig onto one of my friends. The few knots that it does have, it's okay to bleach them. That will give it a more realistic look. And people be saying glueless installs. Are they talking about like just using like the sprays, or is it just like no type of adhesive at all? Please answer that for me. If so, then I'm doing a glueless install. If you install it right, this will be stuck. Q-tips with alcohol, and I'm just going to swipe it onto my hairline. You can definitely tell the difference between if you alcoholed and cleaned, you know, the hairline before. Don't skip this step. Now that I got this tacked on, I have the band on my head to make sure that everything is nice and sealed and in there. I'll come back when I'm nice and dry, okay? Next, we're going to work on the complicated as edges. Really just a piece here in the front. I think I'm going to add some more though. show that, so I mean it'll be easier for me to lay this down. Do this part first. Trying to think about, wait. Okay, I had to give myself a reference on how that part was laying because I kind of forgot. So what I use for laying my edges is you use your favorite gel, which I'm using Eco Styler. Mix it with your favorite mousse. This isn't my favorite mousse, but this is all the mousse that I have right now. But I just put it all on my hand like this, and I kind of just, you know, mix it around. I don't even know how to explain this, so just try to watch, and then I'll try to explain it when I'm done. First, gonna like swoop it this way, like a regular, like however you would do this swoop edge here. Swoop this way, gather all of the hair here. When you go like this, all of the hair should be going like this direction. You're gonna gather it here, and then you're just going to reconstruct it to go around like this, curve it, and then like you saw me do. If it's too long, trim it, and then just proceed to make the swirl. And now we're ready to lay it down. Okay, so another thing that will take your installs to the next level is this little hood thing like this. But when I started using this, I could tell a huge difference in my end results. This really helps to make sure that everything is good and dry. Basically just slip it on like this, leave it on medium, and I leave this on for about 10 minutes, and then I can move on to the next step. What I did there is I kind of just parted it like, I'm gonna twist that. So there's also two like buns at the top, like here to my ear. You know what? Like that. Did y'all see that? Oh my god. This part is just two buns. Okay, like so. Now that it's like this, pull it like forward like this, and I'm going to bobby pin. Then I'm going to wrap it around to the back like this. this is what we got for the first bun. This part is very like abstract, if that makes sense. There's no wrong or right. You kind of just want to mess with it until it's to your liking, and I kind of like that. So now we're gonna work on this other side. Okay, so this is my two buns. Okay, so now basically we're just going to flat iron this, and the front hair is here, and we're basically done. I'm going to do that off camera, and I'll be back with the finished product. All right, y'all, this is the finished look. Is giving. I love the color of this hair. The hair is very soft. I don't know if you can tell, but it flat ironed very nicely, very silky, very soft. Unice hair is one of the companies that I can tell you like it's some really good hair. And that's because I've been using it forever. When your girl started being able to afford her own hair in high school, I was using Unice hair. This company has not failed me at all. Like I said, the specs on this hair will be down in the description box down below. I got this from Amazon, but it is Unice Hair Company. But you can also order some of their wigs and their bundles from Amazon. And before you go, if you haven't done so already, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna have to do like a life update because baby, my life is in pretty much shambles right now.
Well, it's been a great day today. Can't wait for more.
I kind of like decluttered my life. I'm just ready to indulge 110% into my social media. Please subscribe and turn the bell button on so you can get notified when I upload again. Without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.